AI can do so much more if we move beyond asking for answers, but ask AI to be our coaches, our mentors, even our challengers. Assemble a board of advisors. Why stop at one perspective? Pick your heroes. Tap into their wisdom. Stop asking AI for answers and start asking AI to think with you. You will be thinking at a whole new level. The future doesn't belong to those who use AI. The future belongs to those who think with AI.
Sophia is a very engaging, persuasive speaker, and I really lean in and hear her thoughtful and practical advice for the audience. Sophia's insight is deeply groundbreaking.